feel like I'm missing something else. Hello everyone, so my name is Elizabeth and today I'm gonna open this ULTA box. I haven't bought an item from ULTA in a while, but I'm so excited. Ooh, I'm so excited. Okay, so first thing is my Rizzles curl. Oh my god, it's too bright. Whatever, I'm gonna zoom it in right now. My Rizzles curl. I love the packaging. This top used to be pink, black. Now it's pink and it's really cute. I like it. I'm gonna set it right here. Next thing is my other my conditioner and shampoo, also from Rizzles Curls. I love the fact that oh my god. Stand up. Okay. I love the fact that it's Latina owned, which, you know, it's really cool. Next thing is this Pretty Fresh mist from ColourPop, and it is hyaluronic acid, aka HA. So yeah, it's a setting spray basically, or setting mist. So yes, and I'm excited to try this. I have a setting mist that I've had for a while, but it's almost running out, so I'm happy I got a new one. Next thing is this NYX. This is Milky Gloss. No, it's sealed. Okay, good. I haven't tried any gloss recently, but I'm so excited to try this one as well. The next two items I got was this ColourPop blush. I don't own any blushes, so I got this pressed powder blush and also the pressed powder, no, what are the names? This is called Swirled and this one's called Toffee Cake. I love the packaging of ColourPop. It's so cute. So the last thing is gifts, the free samples that I got. Oh no, this one's not a gift. It's the brow glue. I've been wanting to try like some glue so that my eyebrows don't go crazy. So yes, it's very tiny too. So I'm excited to try this because I read good reviews. Well, honestly mixed, but I want to try it. The next thing is this free NYX pack. Wait a minute, I feel like I'm missing something else. In one of the items, I was supposed to get a free bag of ColourPop, but that didn't come up, and I was supposed to get another lipstick. Yeah, I was. Oh, that sucks. Well, this was a fail. Hold up. Okay, well, I'm gonna pause the video right now and see what the heck I'm gonna do. Man, that sucks. Okay, small little update. I just found out that it's coming in 2 different boxes. I didn't see that. So yeah. So the last 2 items were this lipstick called NYX Professional Makeup. The name is called Chick. And the last item, it was free. It was this ColourPop plastic bag. So yes, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed and I'll see you next time. Bye everyone.